Now see, effect of change in temperature. What happens when temperature increases? What happens when we supply heat energy to the solid? See, you know that when temperature increases, what happens? The simple thing is what? You know about solid now. Solid means having high intermolecular forces. With increase in temperature, what happens? When temperature increases, then particles try to move away. That means because of the increase in temperature, it starts breaking intermolecular forces. When we supply heat energy, and if heat energy overcomes the force of attraction between two molecules, then it breaks down the bond, and now two molecules try to move away, try to separate away from each other. The bonding between two molecules breaks. Because of this breakdown, they separate with each other. Okay? So molecules separate with each other. Separate with each other. They move away from each other. Because of temperature, when temperature increases, kinetic energy of solid increases. Here solid means molecules. And they move away with greater speed. So bond between two molecules break down, and solid starts to convert into liquid. Is it okay? So solid having high intermolecular forces, with increase in temperature it starts breaking the forces. When forces breaks, then molecules separate with each other, they move away from each other. When temperature increases, kinetic energy of the molecule inside the solid also increases, and the bond between two molecules break down, and because of this breakdown, solid starts to convert into liquid. Okay, when solid starts to convert into liquid we can say that this is the change in states, solid to liquid. Now this point, when solid starts to convert into liquid, this point is known as melting point. You can define this point. What is called melting point? Melting point means a point or a temperature with which solid starts to melt. Solid starts to convert into liquid. The temperature at which solid starts to convert into liquid is called its melting point. As for example, melting point of ice 0 degree Celsius, very well known. that you know, melting point of ice. You also know that there are 3 units of temperature. 3 units of temperature. One is degree Celsius, another is degree Fahrenheit, and third one is Kelvin. Remember here, degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, and only Kelvin, no degree Kelvin. Celsius is the name of scientist, Fahrenheit and Kelvins are also name of the scientist. They gave the big idea towards heat. In the study of heat, invention of many instruments like thermometer and etc. is carried out by this Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Story of Kelvin is also amazing, not in your course, but we will discuss in our classroom. Okay, so this is about melting point. Process of melting, that is change of state from solid to liquid, that is called process of melting. Now another important topic is also there that we will discuss. See this properly, note down the definition and the points.